Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Berkshire Hathaway, beginner guide step by step clearly. To invest in Berkshire Hathaway, start by understanding what the company does. Berkshire Hathaway is a multinational conglomerate led by Warren Buffett. Research the company's performance and financials to assess its investment potential. Familiarize yourself with its subsidiaries and diversified portfolio. Decide how much money you're willing to invest. Set a budget that aligns with your overall investment strategy. Open a brokerage account if you don't have one. Choose a reputable brokerage that allows you to buy shares. Once your account is set up, fund it with the amount you've decided to invest. Search for Berkshire Hathaway in your broker's trading platform. Berkshire Hathaway trades under two ticker symbols BRK.A and Berkshire Hathaway New. Berkshire Hathaway shares are significantly more expensive than Berkshire Hathaway New shares. Decide which class of shares you'd like to purchase based on your budget and investment goals. If you choose Berkshire Hathaway New, you'll be able to invest at a lower entry price. Place your order for the shares using your brokerage platform. You can choose a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to specify a price. Review your order carefully before confirming. Once your order is executed, you will officially own shares in Berkshire Hathaway. Monitor your investment over time and stay informed about the company's performance. Consider diversifying your portfolio to manage risk effectively. Remember, investing requires patience, and long-term commitment is crucial. Review your investment strategy periodically to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. Stay updated with news related to Berkshire Hathaway and its subsidiaries. Consider consulting with a financial advisor for personalized guidance if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.